Hey there, today we're going to look at how to smooth curves, circles, and polylines in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, over here, understand that the fillet command is used to smooth sharp edges into curves. Then know that it helps turn angular shapes into smooth and continuous designs. After that, make sure your shape is ready for modification before starting the process. Now, over here, select all parts of your shape, then type join in the command line and press enter. After that, merge everything into a single polyline so it becomes easier to edit. Then, over here, type fillet and press enter. Then enter radius by typing R and pressing enter. Then enter a numeric value for the curve size and press enter again. Then, over here, select the polyline again. After that, you will see the curves update automatically based on the radius value you set. Now, over here, check the smooth shape and adjust if needed for better results. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.